Good morning, crypto boomers. The voice of the blockchain here. Satoshi's big cousin, cryptography's finest, Champagne Crypto. Thanks for tuning in. Guys, today we're going to talk about the bits. It's holding the line. Bitcoin is cheaper than the banks out there. I'm going to show you some bullish information to keep the boomers worldwide motivated on that good crypto word. EOS is battling Ethereum, something we want to be covering here as well. Another third generation battle out there and see who's really going to run these dApps on the blockchain worldwide. I want to talk about EOS battling Ethereum, or for some people, they may considering it Ethereum battling EOS. And finally, the Cryptomom out there. If you haven't heard about the Cryptomom, the SEC commissioner who's bullish on the Crypt walking out there, we're going to talk about her and Bakkt, a crypto platform that's involved with the NASDAQ or whatnot. So make sure you're touching the like, the subscribe, the post notification bells, the ding ding, as the rest of the boomers tune in to the population of the chat box. I see Ivo, good morning. I see Revolutionist, good morning to you. Shalom is in the house. Joseph Joy, Julio, Roger Oliver, one of our snipers out there, good morning. Trap Talk TV, we're just warming up, preheating the oven, turning on the broiler, about to serve up these tasty crypto treats worldwide. Make sure you're touching the buttons out there. If you're just tuning in, we're talking about the bits today, holding the line, cheaper than the banks, EOS battling Ethereum, or Ethereum battling EOS, the Cryptomom Bakkt, and more. As Doc Gunslinger has just stepped into the building, good morning. Charles Sanjuro, good morning. He just stepped into the population of the chat box. Roger Oliver's in the house. Ivo's in the house. The rest of the boomers like Shalom's in the house. I think we're about ready to get started here, guys. Let me show you my screen and get start Crip walking out here. Shout out to my walkers. Coin market cap. Let me hit refresh. The caps are currently looking, the bits are holding its line there. We dipped and slide to about 62, I think, overnight, if I'm not mistaken. Here we go with the slow internet here, just to refresh. Okay, we're at 199 billion out there. So there's some money shaved off the top there, some value shaved off the top. We were under 200, over 200 at a point, but it seems like we've been teetering with this market cap of 200 billion. That's okay. Bitcoin dominance is at 55.3. It seems like it didn't hit that 60% dominance that many were expecting. Bitcoin currently at 63.75, holding the line. Ethereum currently at 210. Ether is slimming down out there, guys. We're going to be talking about Ether perhaps maybe losing ground to EOS, or EOS gaining ground on ETH. Ripple is having a performance today. You know, I don't normally talk about the rips, but there it is, up 12%. Ripple's trash, guys. Ripple's trash bags. I'm not believing the hype out there. Bitcoin Cash holding the line at 440, EOS at 506. It looks like the support levels for EOS, what I like to call Ethereum on steroids, arguably, is $5. Stellar at 20 cents. Litecoin at $53. Monero at $1.112. Cardano at 6. Dash at 199. IOTA at 53. And Tron at 1 penny. We talked about Tron yesterday, not in the live broadcast, but I let you guys know on another video. Tron's moving into the gaming industry, apparently. There's a game out there called what was it? Crop bites, where you could breed animals, virtual little animals online, and have a farm or whatnot. And apparently you can earn Tron. So that's what it is out there. Live stream health is looking ugly. So if we get hit with a landmine, you guys know what it is. It looks like the enemy can be approaching near. The enemy's near out there. We need the sniper backups, because the live stream health here is looking weak. We got red on the live stream. The enemy is near here with the Xfinity. They may be trying to throw a grenade at us. So stay vigilant out there. Revolutionist says Joseph ADA. Okay, I see that. I think EOS is a sham. Just my opinion, says Doc Slinger. I respect that. Some people there say that, and we'll be talking about that. That's what it is. Got wrecked on an ETH short this morning. Man, sucks, says Charles Sanjuro. Okay, LOL. EOS is not close to the same level with ETH. Okay, you see, you guys got some people that they don't believe in it. We're going to be talking about that as well. Who's going to be the potential winner, EOS or ETH, okay? In minutes, baby formula, kaboom to that. Chilling here in hot South Florida, Vero Beach, representing, says Doc Slinger. I see you out there, Doc Slinger. So let's go ahead and talk about Bitcoin. This article, just you know, to keep it bullish out there. You know, Champagne always like to spread the bullish news. Bitcoin is 300 times cheaper than wire transfers. Banks take 83% profit out there. There's plenty of unbanked worldwide, and I say that Bitcoin right now is the solution, along with some of the other cryptos like maybe Litecoin, maybe Digibyte, maybe Monero, maybe Bitcoin Cash out there. But the banks are trash. That's why I'm not supporting anything that has to do with Ripple or whatnot. 83% profit off the top out here. You could read the mathematics, and you know, this leads into another talk of the Cryptomom, the SEC commissioner, the Bakkt, and these suits stepping into the game because they know that they got to do something, because the crypto is coming on the sideline here, and it's going to swipe off the money on the top. I told you, I think it's a siren server, and it's going to suck up the value. SEC commissioner and Cryptomom. If you guys haven't heard about the Cryptomom, she's crip walking out there. She's with the SEC. You know, I'm not really fond of the suits out there, but she's trying to speak well of the crypto and Bitcoin. So you can hear what she says. So she's basically saying, you know, that we got to be open about it. And, you know, she was informally dubbed the Cryptomom, even though she doesn't have kids, apparently. She says she always wanted to be a mother, so acquiring the new title was quite an honor. You know, admittedly, this is not the form of motherhood she envisioned. Cryptocurrencies might be such an asset class as with all other products. Investors need to exercise a care of judgment, she says. She said some stuff that's really bullish. Basically, in a nutshell, I'm not going to read this entire article, but she alluded to the SEC trying to be open as to the regulations out there and not to thwart the free market and stop companies from being innovative out there. And then you got Bakkt, the CEO. He was talking about how we will make digital assets more liquid, trusted, and accessible. If you guys don't know about the Bakkt platform, this is a crypto platform that's being built by the suits. This is the same company that owns the NASDAQ, the ICE, Intercontinental Exchange. So these suits out here, they're trying to do something because crypto is here to take the money off the top, and they want to continue the middleman. So while some may say this is good that the suits are coming in, I think that they're just trying to stay alive out there. Pretty soon, guys, the game is about to change really, really soon. Kaboom to that, guys. I'm excited out here on these networks today. As the rest of the boomers tune in, let's look at these charts. Carlo, Champagne, strong hands, no soy boys here. Kaboom to Carlo. Indeed, no soy boys in the box. Boss Lady just stepped in. Kaboom to Boss Lady, one of our crypto chick snipers. Nice to see you back in the population of the chat box. Doc Gunslinger says, if you are in this because of bank corruption, then why get in Ripple? Ripple was Goldman Sachs in disguise. Indeed, Doc, I agree with that. Ripple smells like central banking. You know, Champagne thinks it's trash bags. Funny Bunny did send notices about your broadcast. No bell in YouTube and no email. Guys, we are under attack currently. My live stream health is on red. The signal's coming in choppy. At any moment, Champagne may be hit with a landmine here on the modems, and I may get kicked off. You know how things have been going, guys. I've been trying to contact Xfinity. They're trash. Apparently, I've been put on the YouTube bad list, and they don't want you to know about the good crypto word. They don't want you to boom harder with the best of them, guys. They don't want you to listen to Champagne in the morning. Champ, your connection is lagging, breaking up. I understand, revolutionists. We're under attack on the left flank. We are under attack on the left flank, apparently. Let me see if I can close some stuff on my computer. I don't know if what's really going on out here, but let's try this. Boom. Let's see if that helps. It doesn't help the stream, guys. So it is what it is, guys. I'm trying to, you know, maintain here, tread water as we get grenades thrown at us. You know, it is what it is. Just make sure you stay vigilant out there. Let's go back to the point at hand out here. Ethereum battling EOS. I think most people want to talk about that. ETH against EOS. Okay, we got Vitalik against Dan Larimer out here. And you can check out this article that I have linked down below on coingate.com, published by Nilesh Maurya. It says, till a few months back, Ethereum was a supreme leader and enjoyed the monopoly when it came to building up smart contracts and dApps on the blockchain. But as projects matured and moved out of the Ethereum mainnet to their own mainnets, the competition increases for hosting of dApps and other projects. With Ethereum network getting congested and scalability issues starting to creep up, a lot of projects chose these newer blockchains. So you could see that they're saying that EOS is gaining force over Ethereum. So according to the data from dappradar.com, there are a total of 13 dApps that have seen more than 300 users in the last 24 hours since this article was published there on coingate.com. 6 of them on Ethereum and 7 of them on EOS. So one could argue that there's a little bit more movement going on EOS when it comes to the dApps. And another question to ask is if that's going to grow more. Okay, as Ethereum continues to get congested, is that going to grow more? You could check out Ether's top dApps right now, and you can see EOS's top dApps. I can barely see this. Let me see if I can. There we go. Candy Box, that's what it is. Candy Box. EOS Nights, EOS Lottery, EOS Bet, what we talked about last week. Apparently there was some sort of smart contract glitch on that. I hope that they have that corrected. ITE Dice, EOS Lucky Dice, New Dex, and South X. Those are the top DAX. Kaboom to Roger Oliver. Take that one, champ. Thanks to Roger, one of our most gratuitous there in the box, dropping $2 in the chat on the super chat. That's what it is. We are under fire out here, and I can see that the live stream is lagging heavy. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, I see the live stream's heavily lagging out there. I may have to reset the live stream and come back at you because the modem's looking it's looking bad out there, guys. Thanks again to Roger. I am Cyber Gurus, says Dan Tatsu. Marlon Jones, Bulls on the block says, what up, champ? I see you, Marlon. Dan says, run ScanDisk. I don't know what that is. Carlos says, it's the lefty mainstream media. I see you. Electrician Services, Champagne.